Introducing the 2013 Ford Explorer. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with the GPS navigation. Let the outside in with the built-in sunroof. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Leather seats. Call today to schedule a test drive.